This is the camera that I purchased for $80 because it was on a shelf with no body cap, fully exposed sensor, and there were definitely some concerns. Now, there are some components of this camera that will not function, and I'm not brave enough to tear down the camera because it still works for movie recording, which is my primary interest in this camera. My first mirrorless camera was a Sony A7S back in 2014. And coming back to the Sony A7 series, I'm excited to see what I can capture with this format. Because previously, I've been in Micro Four Thirds land, and I've been there for a very long time.